Hey there, savvy investors. If you're looking to maximize your real estate profits, tax deductions are your best friend. Let's dive into how you can save big on your real estate investments. First off, depreciation. The IRS allows you to depreciate the value of your property over time, which can significantly reduce your taxable income. This is especially beneficial for rental properties. Next, we have interest payments. That's right, the interest you pay on your mortgage is tax deductible. This can add up to huge savings over the life of your loan. Now, let's talk about taxes. Did you know you can deduct the amount you pay in property taxes from your taxable income? This is a straightforward way to lower your tax bill. Another often overlooked deduction is repairs, cleaning, and maintenance. Any repairs you make to keep your property in good shape are deductible. This includes everything from fixing a leaky faucet to repainting a room. And don't forget about home office. If you're managing your properties from home, you can deduct a portion of your home expenses like utilities and internet and travel. Lastly, there's real estate agent commissions. If you paid commissions to your agent, you may take a deduction for that as well. Also, don't forget to take deduction of insurance payments you made for your rental property. By taking advantage of these deductions, you can keep more money in your pocket and grow your real estate empire faster. So, make sure to consult with a TaxWise, your tax partner, to maximize your savings. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe our channel. Feel free to reach out to us at info@taxwiseuse.com.